Ayan yung Pyramides de la Luna or Pyramid of the Moon, and Pyramides del Alma, Pyramid of the Soul, and the other one right there that we cannot see, the other three. Oscar said these three pyramids are in a perfect line, like in astronomically speaking, like the pyramid in Egypt. They're in a perfect line. And he doesn't know if that's a coincidence or there was a communications between the Egyptians before and the Azteca. So yung bundok na nakikita nyo na hukayin pa nila, and sabi nila kino-consider na rin ang pyramid. So parang ito rin nung na-discover nila is parang bundok lang siya, parang hill at saka yan, pero sa ilalim pala ay may pyramid. So iyan pa rin yung pinakamalaking mountain na yan ay kino-consider nila na isang pinakamalaking pyramid na nagpoprotekta sa buong komunidad na ito ng mga Azteca.